Hi there mga Mars and Pars! Alam mo yung baby na super ligot, super kulit at laging ready sa adventure kahit sa loob o labas man ng bahay? Ang saya nilang panoorin. Pero syempre as moms, gusto natin siguraduhin na safe, fresh at comfortable sila all day long. As moms, alam natin hindi lang basta linis ang kailangan ng baby. Kailangan din nilang maramdaman na safe, comfortable at cared for lalo na sa kanilang sensitive skin. Kaya sa bawat bath time, mahalaga na piliin natin ang tamang bath essentials. Kaya naman mga Mars and Pars, switch na rin kayo sa Pigeon Natural Botanicals, gentle care line especially made for active babies. Ginagamit ng aking babies ang Pigeon Natural Botanicals Hand and Body Wash because it is made with plant-based and natural ingredients. Mild sa balat ng aking babies, very effective tanggal dumi at pawis. To help absorb sweat and keeps baby amoy bango, fresco at dry kahit super active, they use Pigeon Natural Botanical Silky Powder. They also use Pigeon Natural Botanical Milk Lotion to keep their skin smooth, soft, and moisturized all day. Natural care from head to toe for your baby's active and happy world. You know the drill, add to cart, and get yours now. Thank you for watching. Bye!